local wildlife is just crazy today. I mean, deer. There's a couple of them there. Are they gonna run? Yep. So they are gone. It's crazy today. Interesting. Well, I'm off to go return the Packer. Just with that rubber breaking there. Right there. All flopping loose, everything else happening. I didn't even use it. I didn't even get the gravel for my driveway. I'm just off to go return it. And then on the way back, we're probably going to pick up a few new toys, you could say. So just hooking up the trailer, we're going to put the Packer on and take off. Woohoo! Time to go buy some toys. It's 100% legal to smash a window.
Smash my window, will you?
Yeah, you're on dash cam and being recorded here and your vehicle. Yeah, you better get the fuck out of here before we smash your window. Fucker.
Listen, don't leave your dog in a hot car, asshole.
Yeah, you're on film.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better.
What is this guy doing?
It is recorded perfect. So this is a huge accident here. We're trying to get to the guy's house. The Sherp plant's just over there. I was saying, man, if I didn't have the trailer, I'd go look at some of the Sherps. If anyone doesn't know, they come. There's a huge area here in Manitoba that they sell them. Maybe they assemble them too. I'd record myself, but that's kind of illegal. Wow, metal corrals?
Yeah, looks like corral panels.
Wow. Yeah, right across the highway.
Holy shit.
Woo. Get some bees on me here.
Oh my gosh. That was crazy.
Yeah, I wonder if that guy, he might not have walked away from that one. Okay, stop. Pedal to the metal in fourth gear, and I can't even get over 90. It is 70 km/h winds outside right now. It is freaking crazy. Woo! Wow, those fields are just losing all their soil. I'll zoom ahead here. Oh, that is freaking crazy. Seda, do you not like heat? Is this your first summer? Seda.
She's like, I'm a winter dog. Bring back the snow.
She literally was sleeping with her tongue out until it got dry.
And then she couldn't get it back in her mouth.
Well, it's windier as fuck, but here's the Hord. So I think that one there's a 77, this guy. This one up here is an 83, if I remember right. Whole pile of parts, like 7 carbs. Lost the air filter top, but I mean the spare one's there. But brand new tires on the front. Well, newish tires on the front. Brand newish on the back here. There's still nubbies on them, so of course there's some wear and tear on them. But it is so windy out right now, this video is going to be useless. But this guy here, I took the roll bar off it because we're actually going to load it up differently. I didn't have to do that, but it was actually already unbolted. All that's underneath here, and there's all the other parts for that other one there. This one here needs tires. Spare tires for the parts one. That guy there is a Subaru 28 horsepower, brand new, never used V-twin. And do you guys see what I see in there? See all the electronics? Yes, it's fuel injected. Has the injection pump on the other side there. But there's the model number there. Brand new, never used. But this one here, they said the recoil broke on it and they kind of parked it, but this isn't a part of the engine, that's just sitting there. But there's the lift pump, fuel pump assembly, but got to get it off that seat. I noticed it did pull up on the side there, but this guy here, again, they do need some work. Oh, that one has a silencer on it, the exhaust under there. This one here is a Grand Prix kart that the guy actually cut down because he had a 1950s fiberglass body, and super windy. Again, it's almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit, like 38 or something Celsius outside, and we had 70 km/h winds, so super hot day. But here's the rear end for that Grand Prix kart there. It has a Honda motor, which is under there. And as you guys see, cog belt style. The cog belt is this guy right here, big ass cog belt. And there's a big clutch on that Honda motor. So again, it's factory kart from there, but I'm still kind of looking into it, deciding what I'm going to do with it. This one here, I don't know yet. I'm actually tempted to cut it up and turn it into like something the size of a golf cart. Just make it a bit bigger, maybe a twin-seater, not too sure yet. But I got to unload this stuff because even though it looks super nice outside, we're meant to get some rain. And is it this one here, I think? Yeah, this one doesn't even have an intake box on it. And if you guys are wondering how much I paid for this stuff here, I paid about half the price of that engine, brand new, for everything. So you guys can look up that engine. I paid half of what it's worth brand new, and I got everything. You know, this thing's a pretty big ass frame. I just got the one tire on loose there. I'm wondering, put a Sears Suburban or a hydrostatic tractor rear end in it and make an awesome utility vehicle just for pulling stuff around the yard. Kind of thinking about doing that. But at the same time, I'm unloading everything there still. I got every part to complete this one. Well, I mean, I got 3 of them. But chances are, maybe I'll get 2 running. Okay, now that it's not 100 above, plus 38 Celsius, here's a quick update on these Honda Odysseys here. This one here, fairly complete. Just needs a little bit of going over. Has new rear rims and tires by the looks of it, but needs to be completely gone through. This one here, same idea. I got the entire roll cage assembly for it there. There's this Grand Prix amusements style one here. It was shortened to fit a fiberglass body. And then there's this parts one here. Some of this metal is for the other red one you guys just seen. A bunch of spare tires. And 2 large bins of spare parts, or parts for the one that's taken apart. And here is the best part. It's a Subaru 28 horsepower, brand new EFI engine. Brand new, never installed. Again, electronic fuel injected. I think someone just claimed a red machine.
I want to put a Gatling gun on the front of it. Pew, 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 pew,
Gatling
pew.
gun? Well, I could stand on the back. It's a little small, but I thought we agreed to do that to the dune buggy over there.
Yeah, but this is closer to finish than the dune buggy.
Yeah, well, this one here should actually technically run. Should. I got the spark plug wire off right now, but it seems to have...
You're filming me. I've got knee pads on.
I know. Has good compression, so...
Ooh.
And it's still a rainy weekend. Nothing but rain. Nothing but rain. Yeah. Well, I'm going to start organizing the parts. That's all I can do.
Nope.
Looks empty?
I can't really. Yeah, stick it right in there. I think it's empty.
If it's empty, it's coming down. And perfect way to end a Sunday evening. A little bit of a quad ride in the desert sand.